Now we will discuss laws of algebra of sets. There are four laws of algebra of sets. One is union of two or more events. The second one is intersection of two or more events. The third one is complementation. The fourth one is relative complementation or difference of two sets. Now we will start with one by one. We will first discuss what is the union of two or more events. Friends, you know what is actually meant by union? You may be studied all these things previously. So the event A union B is the set of sample points which belong to A or B or both A and B. So A union B is also denoted by A plus B. So A union B means what? See this figure. So this is a Venn diagram. So this circle represents A, this circle represents B, and A union B is all the area. See this area which is shaded with yellow color. So this area, this full area, see this full area is nothing but A union B. And A union B is also denoted by A plus B. So you may be aware that this union is represented by plus. It is also represented by at least or. So all these terms are used whenever we are talking about union. At least, or, union, plus. So these are union of two or more events. So what are the properties of this union of two or more events? So A union B is same as B union A. A union B equal to B union A. That is first property. The second property is A union omega. So A union omega equal to omega. The third is A union A. So what is A union A? A union A equal to A. A union phi. So phi is a null set. So A union phi is A. And A union A complement is nothing but the sample space. So these are the properties of union of two or more events, and these properties are useful when we are discussing the properties of the probability theory. So next is intersection of two or more events. See this figure. So the event A intersection B is the set or collection of sample points which belong to both A and B. So intersection means multiplication. Multiplication means and means both. So when we are talking about both A and B, we are using A intersection B. So the event A intersection B is the set or collection of sample points which belong to both A and B. See, this is this circle represents A, this circle represents B, and the common point. So this is the common point which is shaded by this shade. So this is nothing but A intersection B. So I have shown this A intersection B. This is the arrow and this is the area. This area represents A intersection B. And what are the properties of this A intersection of two or more events? The first property is A intersection B equal to B intersection A. So that is the first property. The second property is A intersection omega equal to A. The third property is A intersection A equal to A. The next property is A intersection phi equal to phi. The next is A intersection A complement. So that is a null set. So null set is the set having no members. The next algebra of these events is complementation. So what is complementation? If A is an event, then all the sample points of the sample space excluding A is called the complement of A. So complement of A means what? Not A. So simply we can understand complementation by using not A. See, this is the sample space, which is denoted by S, and this is the event. The event is shown by using a red circle, and in red circle the event is taken as A. Not A means this A complement. See, all this area in the sample space which is not A, that is represented by A complement, and it is denoted by A complement, or simply we can write A and a horizontal bar. This is A complement. We can represent either this by A complement or A complement. So take an example. In a throw of a die, if A is getting an even number, then its complement is getting an odd number. So if A is an even number, then A complement. A complement means not A. Not A is represented by odd number. And the next part is the relative complementation or difference of two sets. So the difference of two sets A and B in that order. So the order is very important when we are talking about difference of two sets or relative complementation. Is the set of elements which belong to A but which do not belong to B. So it is denoted by A minus B or A intersection B complement. Since there are two events, and if you are taking the order as A and B, first you are taking A and then B, so that is A minus B. If you reverse this, that means if you take first as the event B and next A, that will gives us the value of B minus A or B intersection A complement. So it is complement of B with respect to A. See this figure. The first figure gives us this area. So see, this is the area. So that is A minus B. A minus B means what? That is included in B but not in B. See, this is the area which is B, and in A minus B we are excluding this area B. So that will gives us the value of A minus B. See this second figure. So this figure gives us B minus A. B minus A means what? That is included in B but not in A. So this area, see, I am just showing you the area. This area is nothing but B minus A. That is B complement of A with respect to B. With respect to B, this is B minus A. And if you take this as complement of B with respect to A, that is A minus B. B with respect to A minus B. A with respect to B, B minus A. So that is, the order is very much important when we are talking about relative complementation or difference of two sets. So take the example and calculate all these values. Take the example of a die. So consider a die throwing experiment. So what is my sample space? My sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The event A in this case is even number. So what are the members of even number? So when a die is thrown, so the possible outcomes are 2, 4 and 6. And B is taken as the face shown is a number which is greater than 4. So that is strictly greater than 4. So what are the members of this B, event B? These are the two members of the event B. One is 5 and the second one is 6. My A is even number, whereas my B is number greater than 4. So what is A intersection B? So the common point in both the event is 6. Therefore, A intersection B is 6. What is A union B? A union B means either it is taken into A or which is present in B, or in the case of both. So what are the members of A? 2, 4, 6. That are the members of A union B. Also 5 is the member of B. So that is also the member of A union B, and 6 is repeated in this case. So therefore it is taken once. So what is my set A union B? A union B is 2, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the members of A union B. And what about A complement? A is even number. Therefore A complement is odd numbers. So all the odd numbers, whenever we are throwing a die, so that will be the members of A complement. So A complement is 1, 3 and 5. So what about A intersection A complement? So there is no common point in A and A complement, because A complement is not A. Therefore there should not be any intersection point. Therefore it is a null set. And what about A union A complement? So the members A A complement is not in A. Therefore, A union A complement is always the sample space. And what about this A minus B? A minus B is A intersection B complement. So A intersection B complement means, so that is present in A but not in B. And these are the two members. One is 2 and the second one is 4. So that is A minus B. And what about B minus A? B minus A means, so that is present in B but not in A. So the 5 is not in A but present in B. So therefore B intersection A complement is 5. Okay. So these are the examples, and we will calculate all these union, intersection, complementation and relative complementation by taking such type of examples.